This is exactly how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your PlayStation 5 without an adapter. So the first thing we need to do is to actually put our headsets here or our headphones into pairing mode. So what I have to do firstly is to just switch this flicker. If you have one of those flickers here that you need to switch to Bluetooth symbol here, please do that. Otherwise it might not work, just so you know. And then what I'm going to do after that is to just click on the power button here until I can hear power on. So now I'm not going to connect it through here, by the way. I have to connect it through the settings on my TV. So I'm just gonna click on the home button here to be able to be taken to the settings on my TV here. So I'm just gonna click here and then click on all settings. So I have to connect this headset here to my TV, and that will automatically connect it to my PlayStation 5, just so you know. And you have to do the same thing here. So click on something called remotes and accessories. It might be called something else for you, but hopefully it's something basically like that. So now I'm just gonna click on OK, and now we're gonna pair our accessories. So we need to now see if we can actually find our headphones in here, as you can see. So sometimes some of you will need to click on I believe I have to click on this button right here to be able to enter pairing mode. It might be this together with this one, to be fair. So yeah, now when it blinks really fast, I am now entered pairing mode. So now it's gonna search for accessories. This might take a while. Actually, I found it really kind of fast. So here it is. I'm just gonna connect to it now. So let's pair it and then click on pair here. And now it says connected perfectly. So now I can go to my PlayStation 5 again. So I'm just gonna click on this button on my remote and then go to PlayStation 5. Perfect. So now on my PlayStation 5, what I'm going to do now is to just grab my controller. Just gonna reconnect my controller real quick here and then go to settings and then go to sound, and then on microphone you can see it says microphone on controller, which should be fine, and output device should be HDMI device here, as you can see. So HDMI device, now it should work. So if I put on my headset, I can totally hear the audio on my headset. I don't know, it's hard for you to hear it obviously, but there is actually sound coming from the headset. I'm going to turn up this a little bit. Yeah, you can see it's actually coming from the headset, the music from PlayStation 5. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to actually do this.